This easy-to-use product from On Time Trains offers a low-cost and universal solution to incorporating real-life sounds into your 3-rail O-gauge railway. The simple kit builds upon the Rapido Trains reefer soundboard system by providing an O-gauge ready solution and streamlining the installation process to just a few easy steps. In the kit, you'll receive everything you need for installation. The components consist of the 9-volt battery box, circuit board, speaker, magnetic switch, and the custom mounting hardware. Today, we'll be using a Railway Express refrigerated reefer from K-Line. We'll begin by removing the shell of the car. On this model, the shell is held on by 4 Phillips head screws. After safely placing the shell aside, we can thoroughly clean the frame to ensure a clean mounting surface for the sound hardware. At this point, we can lay out the hardware to see where our components will best fit. The battery box, circuit board, and speaker will be mounted centered on the frame, and the magnetic switch will be positioned on the interior roof. Pay special attention to the on-off switch located on the battery box. Positioning this close to the opening doors can provide easy access to the switch. Once you've decided on your layout, you're ready to peel the protective film off the double-sided tape and press your components onto the frame of the car. Be sure to press on the plastic mounting hardware to avoid damaging the delicate electronic components. The final component to install is the magnetically activated switch. We'd recommend you mount this switch centered in the middle of the car. This will allow you to easily locate the switch when the car is back together. At this point, you utilize the provided zip ties to manage your excess wires to ensure none are pinched during a reassembly. Our last step is to reassemble our reefer. To activate the magnetic switch, swipe the provided wand over top the switch. The unit will run for 90 seconds before cycling off for 30 seconds. The cycle will continue until, with another swipe of the wand, the sounds are turned off. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you're ready to enhance your O-gauge railway with realistic sounds, these complete O-gauge kits are available for only $30 and can be added to virtually any reefer in your fleet. Transform your fleet with ease using this easy-to-install solution and add a whole new dimension to your model train experience.